What we got here? Raccoons in the rain. Yeah, the wind hasn't come up really well. It's up a little bit, but not. Come on, you guys. Come on. Sorry, guys, but I hit it. They're all jumping in on me here. Just a minute. Oh, there's no way I'm sitting on that bench. It's all full of dirty feet. All right, just a minute. Okay, ready? Here. I'll just throw some out on the floor here. Oh my God. They're just starving. See, the rain let up a little bit. There you go. Alright, turn the other light on. I gotta get those feeders in. Oh my God, still raining. Yeah, put these in the house here for a minute. Get off my face. No, no, you're not. Get. Get. Those are trying to get in. Here, look. This is the only way I want to get to feed them. They're just really aggressive. There's no way I can sit in that. That's just filthy. Yeah, it's just filthy. So I'm just going to have to stand here and feed them. Yeah, a lot of heavy rain. The wind is supposed to come up about 3 o'clock in the morning. Right now it's about 8:30, 8:45. So I got a chair there I can sit on. I can bring it out. So every time I open the door, they try to get into the house. Here. How are we looking here? Here. Yeah, I'll bring that fold-up chair. Oh my God, there's one right there. I almost stepped on him. Move. Yes, here. Am I going to get to the door or not? No. Oh, here, Woody, come on. Did you get it? You didn't get it. Look here, Woody, come on. Come on, Woody, here. Here you go. Now, I'm not going to get to the door by the looks of things. I'll get that chair out. Move these out of the road. Here, there's a fold-up chair I can put out. It's dry. Connor's sleeping up on the... Get your feet off my chair! Wait now, wait! Oh, get into the road. Wait! No, you're not... Wait till I sit down. Here. Oh my God, my God, my God. Look. Ow! Oh, I can't do this. Here. No, I should have had the tripod out. And they knock it over. They're so aggressive here tonight. Woody, here you go, bud. Grab it. Wait a minute, stop climbing on me. Oh my God, my pants are full of mud. Yeah, I got a new generator this morning, and it's out in the barn, and I put oil in it and I gassed it all up, tried it out, works good. So I haven't got it set up to run my furnace yet, but it's not going to be that cold if the power goes. But I want it mainly for my fridge. So I'm just going to run an extension cord in and... Woody! Yeah, I run an extension cord in and hook it up to the fridge. And it runs quiet too. It's not very loud. You can hardly hear it. There. Oh yeah, get your dirty paws all over me. Here. Here. Here, rascal. There you go, girl. This bucket's getting empty. Get off me! Oh! Yeah. Here. Here. Oh, look at that. He put his foot on it. Woody, you ready for another one? Here you go. Everybody's eating anyway. They're all, the mouths are all going. So, well, what I should have done was give them whole hot dogs because they're eating them so fast. Man, oh man. And I don't know if Buddy's here or not because I'm not over by the... There's no way I'm sitting over there in the rain. But I'll tell you one thing. That new roof, it's keeping everything dry on this side. And I can put dry food out and cookies and stuff like that. It won't get all soggy. Woody. Here you go, bud. Run. Here he goes. They don't mind the rain. It's kind of lulled off a little bit here now. But we're supposed to get up to 50 millimeters, which is quite a bit. And right now the winds are starting to pick up in Halifax area, so it's going to hit here about 3 in the morning. And if I happen to be awake, I'll come out and do a little video. Okay, that's it. That's it. They're done, huh? They're done. No, you're not coming in the house. Get. 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 Get in there. Oh my God. All right, what I'm going to put out now. Oh, I should put this, should put my stand out there is what I should do. I'll take some grapes out. Okay, I'll just put this on the stand. I should have done that at the very first. Because it's hard to feed them and hold the camera at the same time. So, put this in here like that and lock it. And there we go. And then you see them all out there running around. Let me get some more hot dogs. And the grapes are here. Where are they? Here they are. And hot dogs. Wait, Connor. Yeah, put the hot dogs underneath the bottom here. There we go. We'll do the grapes first. Alright, see if I can get out here. See if I can get out here. This is gonna be a trick. I'm trying to get this out open. Wait now. I'll get the hot dogs out first. You want to see something funny? Watch this. When I open the door. Okay. Gotta move these out of the road. I'm gonna step on them and break them. There. Alright. Here. 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 Now you take that outside. You're not eating that in here. You take that outside. Come on. Out. Come on. Out. Don't you bite me. Out. Get out there. Little buggers. Oh. Okay. I'm going to set this up out here. See, we got them away from the door. Oh yeah, they got my seat all dirty. Thank you. I'll just set this here. And then we'll just, there. I don't want to get out in the rain. There. Okay. Oh yeah, look, dirty old paws. That didn't take long, did it? That didn't take long. No. So I'll hang this. I got 1 pound of hot dogs left. I got lots of hot dogs in the fridge for the hurricane time because here. Maybe I'll, where can I move that? We can see everything. Over in this corner. There. That's better. See what's going on. So you see what's going on. Okay. Ready? You ready? Ready? Grab it quick. What? Here. He wants me to hand feed him. Yep. I got a big one here in the corner. Here, come on. Get the hot dogs. Here. They're not the hot dogs. Great. I got hot dogs coming again. Oh, that went out in the lawn. That won't hurt. They'll find it. Because what they do, they go all underneath my deck here to check to make sure there's no seeds fell through the cracks or any food. You want one? Well, you want a hot dog. I'll get the hot dog out in a minute. Oh, stop the ground. There. There. That's it for the grapes. That's it for the grapes. And then we'll do the hot dogs. I'll hang these up here. There's no water buckets tonight. They're out in the barn because they'll just blow all over the place. So here we go. What's in there? Nothing. Okay. Want a hot dog? There you go. Hot dog. That's it for the grapes, boys. Till tomorrow night. The wind's supposed to die down sometime tomorrow afternoon. And you won't see much waves at our beach here because the way the hurricane is moving, it's going towards the beach and it's pushing the waves out to sea. Because I went down there one time before in a hurricane. There was nothing to see because the wind was blowing the wrong way. If it was coming ashore, you get the big waves, but down South Shore, they're getting them. Where'd Woody go? There's a big fella here. What are you eating? Hot dog. See, you guys don't want them. Anyway, I'll dump these out and then I'll check on them later. There. I'll just throw this in the house. I'll take the camera out and we'll do a little visual with them. Hello, Connor Cat. Get in there. I don't know what it is. They want to be around me for something. Doesn't matter if there's food there or not. Do you want some cookies? Huh? I got some of those Oreos. Oh my God, you fellas. Alright, do you want a cookie? You're getting tired of hot dogs, aren't you? Here. Who wants a cookie? Look. Oh yes, I'll have a cookie, thank you very much. We'll have a cookie. There. Throw the whole package out. There we go, and I'll throw this in here. Okay, we'll get the camera out. Oh my God, it's coming down good now. Yeah. It's funny, you know. See that roof leak? Get off my chair! Get off that chair! Slap you in the bum. I'll slap you right in the bum. You know that? Huh? Oh, she's coming down now, look. Hear it? And see, my trough is working really good. Used to leak like a sieve before. And you do hear the rain on the steel roof. Yeah. Now these guys, they're sitting in the rain. See, the rain doesn't bother them. But you know what's going to be good when the hurricane hits? They can all hide up underneath the bench here. They'll be nice and safe. Yeah. Yeah, they're all wet. Well, this fellow's not because he's been under the... But this is great. It leaked for so long. Yeah, Troy, you did a great job. Yeah, you did a great job of that, boy. Not a leak anywhere. Yeah. So I have a trough going right across, water trough. That's why it's not all, remember it used to pour down here? Yeah. Now it's all going out. Now it's all going down the drain now. Oh yeah, it's coming down good. Yeah. Get in out of the rain, will ya? Look at them. Haven't got a clue. Yeah. Rain doesn't bother them. Yeah. Where are you going? You're going to have your cookie up there. Hey, and you're going to be in the rain. You're going to be sitting up there in the rain with your cookie. There, get down. You got a cookie. So I can put dry food out here, seeing it won't get all soggy. Yeah, I got some, what do you call it, Fruit Loops there to put out. One behind the, there's always somebody behind that gate. Get in out of the rain! Yeah. So anyway, when my new shed comes, I was up checking on it today, and it's going to be a while before it's finished, but this is going up in the attic part of it, so it's okay to sit here for now, and this bench here will be gone. Once the snow comes, I take this bench out and I put it away, and then there's nothing out here. What are you doing? Are you advertising? You advertising Jim's Diner? But I'm going to take all the signs in because you have to, because it's so, I don't want them to get ruined in the snow and everything, and the weather beats them up. And we just put them back out in the spring. Are you advertising? Are you? You advertising? You are. Raccoon Whisperer's Diner. Is that where you're eating? I should take that bucket and fill it up and put it out. You see, he's licking the water off the... Yeah, and he's licking... And there's all kinds of puddles out here and everything, but they... Alright. I'll get this, I'll use that bucket there. The other buckets are filthy, I gotta wash them. I'll use this one. Alright. There, let that fill up. Hey, Connor! There you are. There's the Connor cat. There's Charlotte. Charlotte. Yeah, and guess what? I don't get my chair. I'll be glad when my other chair is finished, so we can decide who's going to sit where in the living room. As it stands right now, I don't get to sit in the chair. Alright. I'll just put this one bucket out. That should do them. We'll see if they get into it. We'll see if they get into it. There goes the furnace. Furnace is running. I'll just put this right out in the middle here. I still got my hose out. Here. Come on, get in. Get in there. Come on. Oh, it's ever hard to get them out when they run in the house here. See what happens. Oh, they're going to get into the, yeah, well, they're going to get into it. And the brook down there is overflowing. So, oh yeah, put your dirty feet in it. That's why the water gets so dirty. Yeah. And I have to change the buckets every 2 hours. Yeah, look what he's doing. He's going along and he's licking the raindrops off the rain stopped there again now. Yeah. No, that's not a hot dog, it's a sign. What are you eating? What are you eating? This is going to be a long video, folks. What are you eating? Cookies. You got cookies? He said, what are you doing? Oh, they're kissing each other. There, he found a hot dog. What are you eating? Cookies. You got cookies? Have you? You're getting too fat to try to fit through that now. Yeah, you're getting so big. Here comes the rain again. Here comes the rain again. He wants to have his cookie up there. The rain don't seem to bother them. Okay, I'm going to pour some dry food out here, and then we'll leave this for tonight. And if the wind really gets howling, say about 3 or 4 in the morning, I'll come out and take a little video. Alright. Signing off from Churchville, Nova Scotia. East coast of Canada. Waiting for Hurricane Teddy.